Okay, and then this one is an example problem about entropy, and they are telling you that here's a reaction, Na2SO4 and 10H2O. And what you end up with is a hydrate of Na2SO4. And they want to know, the question is A, does it become more or less ordered from here to here? And does the entropy increase or decrease? So when we take a look at this, what I notice, if the H2O molecules are the red molecules, they seem to be all over the place inside this beaker in this one. In this one, they seem to be only in this nice, neat little cube. The Na2SO4 down here is still nice and neat and still nice and neat. But I would say for part A that it definitely became more ordered over here. Okay, because my H2O molecules are in a nice, neat little compact area locked in with that Na2SO4. So if it became more ordered, it therefore had a decrease in entropy. Okay? Okay, take a look at this one. Does the entropy of this system increase or decrease? So they're only asking you, does entropy increase or decrease when you open the stopcock and allow mixing? So here's the stopcock that we have to open. Just a minute, Quan is interrupting me, so I have to pause. Okay, so we're going to open the stopcock, and what they want to know is entropy going to increase or decrease when these mix? So what's going to happen when we open the stopcock? Well, N2 is going to flow this way. So let's say that this is like, let's say this is 50 milliliters. And let's say this is 50 milliliters, although they look like they're different sizes to me, but that's okay. So you've got N2 in one side, and you've got O2 in the other side. And you're going to open the stopcock, and what's going to happen is O2 is going to flow one way, and N2 is going to flow the other way. But not all of this N2 is going to make it into the O2. So you're still going to have N2 over here, but you're also going to have N2, whoops, oh well, N2 over here, and you're going to still have N2 over here, and you're going to have some, we might as well make the O2 the N2 color now, O2 here still, some O2 here, and some O2 here. So because these two gases completely fill whatever space.
Carmen Coitel, please come to the main office. Carmen Coitel, come to the main office, please.
Because they're going to completely fill whatever space they have available to them, now your N2 has the ability to take up 100 milliliters of space, and your O2 has the ability to take up 100 milliliters of space. So, or at least they're spread out throughout 100 milliliters of space each. So this would be an increase in entropy when you open the stopcock. Okay? Okay, so going on to section 13.3, you need to use your book to list 3 things that affect solubility. And there's an and here, don't leave that part off. And tell how they affect solubility. So 3 things that can affect solubility and how those 3 things have an effect on solubility. Okay? If you have any problems creating your Google Docs on your own or sharing them with me, then you need to send me an email. All right, have a good weekend.